Tamara Gruzbarg is Director of Analytics at Gilt Groupe. I caught up with her at the Premier Business Leadership Series in Las Vegas, where she explained how her company is using analytics to expand its customer base.
Were you surprised by what the data showed about your customers?
Well, I wasn't necessarily, I started working for Gilt about 2.5 years ago. I wasn't necessarily surprised, but my internal clients, buyers and marketers were definitely surprised initially because, again, they had this idea of the Gilt customer, who is this woman, single, urban, very much in the know, follows fashion trends, goes after new hot thing every time. And when I came in and actually mined the data, I figured out that there are actually very different demographics. And people that shop for specific brands might actually look quite differently than what everybody imagined. And these findings actually directed not just merchandising strategy, but also our creative strategy, because our creative department used to basically photograph models in a specific way, and based on the insights of the analysis, they even implemented it for specific brands when they knew that these brands are actually more purchased for more mature audience. It changed the approach to photos on the set.
So you actually changed the types of models you were using in
not necessarily types of models, but definitely a way of styling. One of the big changes, and this is inevitable when you start building something out, is that when I came in, we had to work hard on setting up robust and trustworthy baselines, understanding KPIs, making sure that everybody in the organization feels comfortable with the data as it's reported. So basically building out robust business intelligence function before you can move into advanced analytics area. And now we are in a position, both from the data infrastructure and also development of our business users, we are in a position to do much more advanced work. Well, I would say speed element was always very important. It was harder a couple of years ago because we didn't have a robust data warehouse that has been built, developed, and maintained within the last couple of years by our internal team. So a lot of information that we had difficulty accessing from multiple sources, we now have a much more streamlined way of getting to this information.